Hi guys, in this video we see how to fix the acetate glasses. First we need the pure acetone, pour it into a container. We dive glasses, taking care not to soak the lenses. After about 3 minutes, we remove the glasses and join the two sides until they are welded together. Let dry for 24 hours and if necessary we finish by rubbing acetone on welding. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for don't miss the future videos.